Many of us in the software business are quite sure that we know our target audience, their pain points and the solutions. But do you know that 90% of the startups fail? Hi folks, my name is Anita Jangid and I work as a business analyst at Thinkitive Technologies. In this video, we will help the product owner to start with the product development process. Before getting into the market and hiring any agency for the product development phase, the product owner need to make sure that he does some market research at his end. Market research and understanding the product right is very important. So there are a few points that product owner need to make sure before getting into the market. Point 1. Market research and understanding the need of the product in the market. Point 2. Comparing the existing products that are available in the market with the product that you are trying to build. Point 3. Noting down all the features that are already available in the market. Point 4. Hiring the right agency and starting with the product discovery phase. And once you are done with all the processes, proper requirement, and then you are good to go for the product development process. So let's start with the market research. What is market research? The action or activity of gathering information about the consumer's preferences and choices is market research. The product owner will have to do some homework at the end before getting into the market and finding the right agency for the product development process. We should look for the existing efficiencies in the competitive products or solutions that do not exist yet. The product owner will have to do some market research. He will have to understand the need of the product in the market. He will have to compare the existing product with the product he is trying to build. We want to build the right product for the right people. For that, sometimes we will have to keep aside our expertise and desires to make something for the consumers. It is better to make assumptions based on the real market requests, pain points and bottlenecks. So how do you make the validations? That we will understand in the product discovery phase. Also, the product owner will have to make a requirement document. For that, he can use the Moscow technique. So what is Moscow technique? Moscow technique means must have, should have, could have and would have. So the must have, should have, could have, would have will decide the priority of the features that you want. So let's understand what is product discovery. Product discovery is a process that is done before the product development process. Product discovery in software development is an efficient way for the client to validate their product idea. It defines the business goal, desired outcome and accurate time and cost estimation. We understand the product was actually required in the market, and here even if we fail, it won't be a big loss because we are not investing our money in the market and also for the product development process. We are just investing in the product discovery. So the goal of the product discovery is to collect the information, define the requirement and to analyze the business needs. When we hire any agency for the product discovery phase, the agency takes care of the product discovery phase where they will discuss with the product owners the ideas, product idea. They will do some market research. They will also do the competitive analysis. And also they will create wireframes for you, low fidelity wireframes where we will understand how a product is going to look and what all features will be included in the product. The product agency will also create workflows and the SRS documents. So in the SRS documents, it is a detailed document where we understand all the hardware, software and all the detailed requirement of the document. So let's understand what is product discovery phase. Product discovery phase is done by the agency where the product owner will hire the agency for the product discovery. Product discovery is done before the product development process. Product discovery in software development is an efficient way for the client to validate their product idea. It defines the business goal, desired outcomes and the cost estimation required for the product development process. We understand if the product was actually required in the market, and here even if we fail, it won't be a big loss for us because we are not investing the money in the market and not even in the product development process if we fail. So the goal of the product discovery is to collect the information, to define the requirement and to analyze the business need. If you hire an agency for the product discovery phase, they will understand the document that you're sharing, the requirement document, which is must. In the product discovery phase, the agency will create workflows, user stories, SRS documents, and low fidelity wireframes. In the low fidelity wireframes, we understand how our product is going to look and what all features will be included, and the features that they are showing in the low fidelity wireframe will be deferred from the priorities that you are giving in the requirement document.